Hello guys, good evening and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you're welcome. Today's video I'll be showing you how I make my strawberry cake out of my vanilla cake mixture. Yeah, it's a simple recipe, it's a simple technique to it, and you'll get your strawberry. Now I'll be adding my strawberry flavor into my batter. Just add 1/8 of your teaspoon to it. I'm using industrial flavor, by the way, so you just add the little quantity to it. 1/8 teaspoon. You mix it together, add your pink color bit by bit to get the shade of the pink you want. You can as well use your strawberry fruit for this recipe as well, but I'll just leave you now to watch to the end of the video. It's a very easy technique you can use to get your strawberry cake. Very easy, very fast, very effective, and very cost effective as well. Thank you.